My channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have shared some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe this channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will give you in description box. Let's start our first job. Our first job from ELEVIANT. ELEVIANT is hiring for software for a fresher in 2022 price. Okay, and this is for 2022 batch and uh, and eligibility criteria is BE, BTech, BSc, BCA, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc student. Computer science and IT and no backlog required and required a skill like you have good programming and fundamental of logical and analytical skill capability knowledge of OOPS and you have must knowledge of Python, C, Sharp, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, etc. of anyone. And how to apply this job? You have click here, register here, and you fill all the details. Our next job from Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring for AIML engineer and qualification need ME, MTech and BE, BTech from 2021 and 2022 batch. And percentage criteria is 60% is required in overall your education background like 10th, 12th, graduation and post graduation. And you have master skill certificate need to AIML, Python, DevOps, React.js and Node.js. This is your job description. The position is TechX or AIML and job location is Bangalore. This is work from office and salary is 4 lakh per annum plus 25k bonus and here is bond also for 2 year qualification need like MEM Tech specialization circuit branch and and year of passing is 2021 and 2022 student are eligible for that and percentage is I have already tell that and process is like round 1 online assignment test, round 2 tech round and round 3 marginal tech round and round 4 is HR round. Okay, and you can fill here all the details like name, contact number, alternate contact number and all, and after that you submit this. And our next job is hiring for greenhouse. Greenhouse is hiring for technical support engineer. This is also hiring for fresher and no, and you have a skill required like HTML, CSS, basic JavaScript is a must. Knowledge of TCP, IP, and understanding of network device, server, load balance, routers, and technical knowledge and access in web. And you must have knowledge in degree and engineer and web and networking. You must have experienced 0 to 4 year of work experience, and this is your overall view about that company and how to apply the job. If you have click here apply with LinkedIn or if you need to fill manually, then you have fill first name, last name, phone number, and after that you have submit that. And our next job is from Trilogy. Innovation is hiring for intern. Hiring. And this is hiring for 2024 batch. And hiring start from 9th April and time is 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay. And this is summer internship profile STE intern pre-final year student passing out and in 2024 and the number of position is 50 only. A stipend is 1.5 LPA and plus other benefit like if you are a good performing, then you have also committed as a full-time opportunity. And how to apply this now? You have seen all the detail and then you have submitted that. Thanks for watching.